Welcome to Lusk. Learn unknown, share known. It's in part 2 video how to join Merchant Navy. If you didn't watch part 1, please click the link and watch part 1 and watch part 2 also. In this video, I will discuss about what course should be done to join a Merchant Navy. As I said before, there are 3 departments in a ship: deck department, engine department, catering department. First we will see deck department, what course to be done. So to join in deck department, you have to do BSc Nautical Science. That is a 3 years course, and eligibility is you have to pass 12th plus 2 with 60% of mark in maths, physics, chemistry, and at least 50% of mark in English. Okay, this is in India, and you can join, or there is an option, there is a course called DNS, Diploma in Nautical Science. That's an 1-year course. For joining that course also, eligibility is 12th pass with PCM, 60%, at least 50% in English. See what is the cost of studying these courses. First, BSc Nautical Science in India, it cost around 6 lakh to 12 lakh rupees according to the college. There will be 6 semesters, so it's a 3-year course. Next, DNS, Diploma in Nautical Science, it cost around 2 to 5 lakh according to the college, and there are only 2 semesters. It's an 1-year course. You may ask, what is the difference between BSc and DNS? I will let you know. BSc, it's a 3-year course. After completing your college of 3 years, you have to sail in a ship as a trainee for minimum 6 months for appearing next rank examination. I mean third mate. For DNS, Diploma in Nautical Science, after completing 1-year course, you have to sail in a ship as a trainee for 18 months to give the examination. This is the only difference between BSc Nautical Science and Diploma in Nautical Science. If you complete 3 years, just 6 months you have to sail. If you complete DNS, you have to sail for 18 months. That is the difference between BSc and DNS. Okay, let's move on to engine side. To join engine department, you have to do BE Marine Engineering. That's a 4-year course. So eligibility is 12th pass, same as BSc Nautical Science. You have to pass your 12th with 60% mark, PCM with 50% of mark minimum in English. It's another option. You can join in a lateral entry, that is direct second year, if you do your diploma in mechanical, electrical or ECE with 60% mark, minimum of 50% mark in English. Either you can join this course after your 12th 4-year course, or you can join after diploma just 3 years. Or there is one more option, or after completion of BE Mechanical or Naval Arc Engineering, you can join GME, that is called Graduate Marine Engineering. That is also equivalent to BE Marine Engineers. They are equivalent to BE Marine Engineers. For joining this course, GME course, it's an 1-year course, 50% of pass mark in engineering department plus 50% mark in English subject. That is very important. What is the cost of studying marine engineering? Let's see how much it costs. For doing marine engineering in BE Marine Engineering, it cost around 8 to 16 lakhs according to college, total 8 semester, because it's a 4-year course. Or in Graduate Marine Engineering, it's an 1-year course, it cost around 3 to 5 lakhs. Next, as I already said, there is one more rank called Electro-Technical Officer, ETO. To join as an ETO in a ship, you need to do 4-month course, that is called Electro-Technical Officer Pre-Sea Training course. Eligibility of it is pass mark in BE as EEE or ECE or E&I also is available with minimum of 50% pass mark, and English mark should be 50%. Cost of studying of this course, 4-month course, is 2 to 3 lakhs according to your college. Crew, I mean GP rating. That is just 6-month course. Eligibility is after passing your 10th or 12th or ITI or any degree. Basically, I mean to say minimum 10th is required to join this course, and with 40% of pass mark, and English mark should be 40%. If you pass your 10th, you can join this course, and after completing GP rating, you can join either engine department or dig department as an oiler or ABC man, whatever. Cost of studying this course is around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh according to the college. Catering department, that is cook. To join as a cook, you need a normal diploma or degree in catering with 40% of mark, and English should be 40%. If you complete any diploma or degree in catering, you have to just do your STCW courses and get CDC from DG shipping, and you can join in ship as a cook. Hope you got some information about shipping industry and the jobs and what are courses you should be doing. And thank you for watching. Lusk, learn unknown, share known.